YouTube was good. Let's get some boredom killed, and hopefully I can learn you something. So I got a guy. He brought over an Echo weed eater, and he said he was edging his property, and it died out on him. So typically with the weed eater, it's carburetor. Matter of fact, if I'm not mistaken, I think all this year it's only been carburetor and maybe throttle cables, but nothing really hard. You know, I'm a little upset. Last year was a busy year. This year just simple and easy. But enough jaw jacking. Let's get it, guys. All right. Here it is, Mickey Ficky. Actually got a gentleman right here who brought over one. SR230 and the 225. But this is the one we're working on. SRM 225. Let me get y'all set up and we're gonna see what it's doing. Alright, we got gas. Oh, he don't even got gas in this thing. We're just gonna clean the carburetor. In my experience, when you let your two-stroke or your diesel engine run out of fuel, you got a problem. Oh man, yeah, that's bone dry. When you got grit in there, we're gonna clean out this gas tank. Let's get this thing taken apart, guys. Oh, it needs an air filter. That's pretty gross. Alright. Let's get this thing on. Alright. Which one of you look right? You look right. Yeah, I see it. This thing, it is petrified on there, guys. Yeah, that fuel line is hard. Alright. There we go. Alright, well, we're gonna take her apart and see what we can do. We're going to do a quick clean. Typically with a carburetor on the weed eater, it's under the bowl area. So we're going to start there. There we go. Now we can see what we're working. In my experience, I have never needed to take apart the bottom of a weed eater carburetor to clean it or to get it out. It's always been a variation of everything, but never the bottom part. Oh, you got a tear right there. So that's an issue. Gotcha. Alright, so right here is damaged. That thing is shot. Luckily, I have a variety pack right here. So pretty much just match it. You want to match it to the ring right here. Always match to the housing of the car. Don't match to the bracket. You want a good fit. See, this one feels like that's money. Yeah, that one feels good. We're gonna put that off to the side, and we're gonna see if we got one more just in case. That's a different size, to see if it feels any better. Oh yeah, so this one's it. That's it. Alright guys, so pop this in, we're gonna install it, and then we're gonna try again. Not getting any filling. So we must have a bad line somewhere. So we're gonna take everything out. See, now it's coming in. Yeah, so it's coming in, but not consistently nor promising. Like, look at this. It's not even contracting out enough to spit. Alright, so we're going to put on a different one, because this one is not quite cut. Yeah, that's not cut. It's just stuck. Alright, so I'm going to swap to a new one, guys. Alright, so we got it kind of made, guys. We pretty much just going to measure out the estimated length. That looks good right here. You don't want it too long. You want it to be in the deepest, lowest part, furthest part of the tank. Okay, so this is how it came. It's really hard to get this in there and to come in and work from the bottom to get these two to mate. So what I do with every machine is less moving parts. Cut it, give it a mean, like a pretty gnarly angle now. And you want a good portion cut, and that's so you can slip a good amount through so you can grab it. And then I put this on because I was going to use the hardware, but I'm not. It's a hassle. So after you get it cut, give it a little slip in like so. Bam. Grab it with your needle noses. this in. Now we're going to take this off. Good times, right guys? Alright. Now we just got to get the fuel line, or the throttle line out. Let's see if I can get it with this. Sometimes you get lucky, and you can. Come on, baby. There we go. Bam. We need this line. Okay, this carburetor's still good. He just bought a new one. Bam, right there. I thought it was in the right position, but it isn't. So there's a little, let me show you. There's a little tab. Oh wait, I'll show you this. Right here. So there's a little hole right there that you slip. Your line goes through here, through that one, and slips over and under back. On this carburetor, it's backwards. That's an easy fix. I just need to get a flat head to spin it. Okay. Put it in. Now we should get our slip action. If everything lines up just right. Bam. Now it's in there. Now, the easy part. Put it back together. Alright. Fuel line, again, it's going to be the fatter of the two. Alright, I'm not gonna lie guys, the Echo models, I hate them with a fucking passion. I hate Echo. I hate the fact that they're two strokes and you don't get the ability to tune your carburetor. That's why it puts a sour taste in my mouth. And these things, I think it tells you like 8 pumps to prime basically, but that floods it. Typically I just give it 2 to 4 and then see what happens. The choke is down, full choke. We got a sputter. I'm gonna let it run. Sometimes you gotta do the machine gun way on these cold starts. Let's go, baby. Nope. We're gonna go half choke. That's cool. You can kind of feel it. There it is. Oh yeah. We have to adjust the idle. I didn't do it, but we'll figure it out on the fly. All right, we're gonna try to fire it up one more time. Come on, come on. That's the run. Oh yeah, that's good to go. So this is being ran without a fuel filter, or excuse me, this is being ran without an air filter. The old one's bad, so I'm gonna let him know he only bought the carburetor. So thanks for coming, guys. Spot you in the next one.